Back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Coinbase to your bank account in 2025. Simple, fast, and hassle-free. Whether you sold crypto or just want to cash out, this step-by-step guide has you covered. Let's get right into it. First, open the Coinbase app or website and log into your account. Once you're in, head to the portfolio section and select the crypto or fiat balance you want to withdraw. Next, click on the Withdrawal or Cash Out button. Here, you will choose your bank account as the destination. If you haven't linked your bank yet, follow the prompts to add your bank details securely. After selecting your bank, enter the amount you want to transfer. Double check everything to make sure it's correct. Then confirm the withdrawal. Coinbase will process your request, which typically take 1 to 3 business days depending on your bank. You will get notified once the money hits your account. A quick tip: to avoid delays, make sure your bank info matches with your Coinbase account details exactly. And that's it. Transferring money from Coinbase to your bank account in 2025 is straightforward and secure. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, smash the like button, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more easy crypto tutorials. See you in the next time.